I'm going to show you how to check Google Trends for products. First, go to your browser. I am using Chrome browser here and type trends.google.com. In your home page, you will see your location, but you can change that later. Now I'll type diet to see how much people were looking or interested in this topic. Here in the Philippines, you will see the interest over time, and I'm going to related queries. Now you can see the top 3, the low cholesterol diet. Let's see that on Google. Low cholesterol diet. And that means a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can increase important cholesterol lowering compounds in your diet. Okay. Now let's see in Amazon how much people were interested in products about this. Okay, let's go to Amazon.com and type low cholesterol diet. And let's see what products about low cholesterol diet are in trend right now. And here you will see the products about this. That's all. Thank you for watching.